Hi, in this video, we will learn to create an application using Zoho Creator from scratch. To get started, open your browser and search creator.zoho.com. From here, we just access Zoho Creator. To create a new solution, you have to click on the button called Create Solution, which is located right on the right top corner. Click on that. Then you will get three options: create from scratch, create from gallery, import from file. So here we are creating from scratch, so we'll click on create from scratch. Then we have to name our application. So here we are giving employee management system. Okay, then we'll click on create application button. Okay, once you click on create application, it will redirect to the backend of the Zoho Creator, from where you can create forms from scratch. Now click on create new form. Here again you will have three options: from scratch, import with data, or using Zia AI. So we are creating from scratch here. Then we'll name the form as employee. Then click on create form. Once you click on create form, you will be having access to drag and drop the fields. So we'll just add the fields. First we are dragging up the single line field where we'll name it as an employee name. Next we have email. Just drag and drop the email field. Then next we have phone. So we'll name it as phone number. Okay. And for departments, we will use drop-down fields. We'll name it as departments. So we'll add the values for department field. In choice one, we'll add development. Then we have functional. And the third choice is marketing. Then we have the date field to capture the joining date of the employee. So as of now, we have added all the fields, all the basic fields what we were needed. Then we'll click on the done button. After this, we'll access this application with this button. It will take us to the front end part. So here you can see we have created our first application with the employee form. So we have employee form here. We'll input the employee name here, his company email ID, then the phone number, then the department is working on, and later the join date for the date which he has joined. Then we'll click on the submit button. So as you can see, the employee has been added successfully, and in the reports we have this record. And that's how you can quickly create an employee management application in Zoho Creator.